So in this video, we are going to be doing an abdominal assessment. I am using a teddy bear, sorry about that. The first thing that I would do is knock on the doors, sanitize my hands, pull the curtain for privacy. My name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. I just need to do an abdominal assessment on you really quickly. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, good. I checked the wristband. Okay, so the only thing you really need for this is a stethoscope. You are going to first ask, do you have any pain when you're having a bowel movement? When was your last bowel movement? Any pain while peeing? If she's a female, when was her last menstrual cycle? And then the steps include inspection, auscultation, percussion, and then palpation. So during the inspection, you're going to look and see if there are any bruising, any visible masses or hernia, or if the patient does have a wound, you'd want to assess the wound. Any ostomy or urostomy care, you would be assessing that as well. So Husk Rotation, the first thing that you're going to do is listen in the right lower quadrant. You want to hear normal bowel sounds. And you're just going from the right lower to the right upper, to the left upper, to the left lower. And those do sound normal. If they didn't sound normal, you would have to listen for a full 5 minutes and figure out what was going on. The next step is percussion. This is where you're going to listen for any brewing sounds. You are going to listen to the left and right renal arteries, the iliac arteries. So we're going to do that. So the first one is going to be right here. We're going to listen. And then you're going to go directly from diagonal from that, right and left side. And then the iliac arteries is going to be right below the belly button from the right and left side. Okay. So that all sounds normal. So now it's time for the palpation. You start in the right lower quadrant and you're going to work your way around. You're first going to do light. You're going to feel for any lumps or masses. Ask, are you having any pain? And then you're going to do a deeper. Any pain or tenderness when I do this? No? Okay, good. So I am done with my assessment. I would sanitize my hands, make the patient comfortable, leave the patient with a call light and water, document what I have found, and ask if they need anything else. No, I'll be back to check on you in a little bit.